Open the Epic Games Launcher. Create a new project or use an existing one. Here we use the third-person Blueprint project as a demonstration. The name is Talent Tutorial. If you have installed the Advanced Talent System plugin through Epic Games Launcher, then you can click Edit Plugins to search for Talent. Enable Selpec Talent plugin, then restart the project. After we restarted, click Content Browser. We will create a new folder called Talent Tutorial. Then right-click, select Talent, Talent Graph. We use the default name. Then we click on Talent Asset Editor. We create a new node. Select Talent Node. Talent node has no picture by default, so it's black. You can change the content. Go to Widget class. Copy W_talent node to the project directory. After a copy, we renamed it W_custom talent node. The image here uses extension point. Let's not use extension point, delete it, and use the original way first. Search image, add to below. Here I will pick some pictures from the talent demo. Copy all the pictures here. Create a new folder named Textures, and we will put the images of the sample projects in this folder. Open the folder location. Paste. Then we just give the node a picture at random, like jumping. Then compile. After compiling, select this node. Set its widget class to the custom widget you just created. You can see that the appearance of the node has changed. Then you can create another node. Another node can do the same thing. Create another blueprint. This blueprint is called Node 2. Of course, you can make it use another picture. Picture representing the double jump. Now one node corresponds to one blueprint. The layout and logic between them are the same. In fact, we can reuse the blueprint. Restore the deleted extension point. Search for talent node extension point. Delete this image. Use extension point instead. The key attribute of extension is extension point. To correspond to the extension point of the node, the tag should be same. Here we take hud.slot.icon as an example. Also use hud.slot.icon in widget. Then we need to define what the content of the extension point is. Here we will use SlateBrush as the content. SlateBrush can be used to display image. Back to our widget. Compile and we can see extension point name. Extension point name will be displayed in the design. The image will be displayed in Talent Editor and Runtime. If you change a picture now, the node's picture will be replaced as well. This means that the picture can be changed in the node. No need to create a widget blueprint for each node. Then we connect node. Press the edge of the node. Drag to the edge of another node. Lines endpoints are at the top left corner of each node. If you want to change it, you need to find the pin of the node. Modify its haline and valin. You can make it center and bottom. Then we move it to align vertically. Change the node below as well. Just change haline to center, so it connects from here to here. One thing to keep in mind is that nodes can follow the editor's perspective. However, it's best not to exceed the positive range in the editor. The thicker lines in the middle are the axis, so if you exceed, the outer part will not be displayed. If you find some nodes cannot be seen, maybe for this reason, just move it here. If you want to create a third node, we can copy a node by Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Select the new node. Let's give it a picture first. Let's give them the same blueprint as the first node. The reason why it is black is because there is no corresponding extension of the blueprint. We will add hud.slot.icon to it again. The content is also a slate brush. And then we just give it a picture. And so does this node. Select the picture of the double jump. Then connect. When we connect it, we will find that it is all straight lines. If you want to turn it into a polyline, you need to select a connection. Below its appearance, widgets. Add a midpoint. Set X of midpoint to 1. Now that line is a polyline. Same with this line. Now, these two lines are still kind of ugly, and we need to move them both down. We're going to use a little trick here. Let the pins of the first node become a straight line. Click padding, shift the pin down by 100. And then we're going to give the pin the appearance, which is a straight line. The end of the connection is -100. So it looks like the two lines are merged. Let's move the next node and try it. It looks okay. At present, we just added talent-set and designed the node appearance. Later we will learn how to display talent in the game.